Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you back to another video tutorial. This week we are featuring the Whimsy and Wonder Suite. So today is our last project using this. I love this suite because it has so many pretty pastel, non-traditional Christmas colors. But it's also very shiny, very feminine, and just really fun suite to play with. Okay, so we're going to make a very quick and easy Christmas card. I know when we make Christmas cards, we like it to be fast and easily duplicatable. Duplicatable, is that the word? But something we can make a lot of pretty quickly without, too much stress. So this one we are using the fun bold stripes on one side. It's got these beautiful silvery snowflakes on the other, which we used on Saturday. Whoops, almost glued the wrong side. But I am going to use the funky stripes from this side for today, just because it's kind of bold. It's bold. It just like slaps you in the face. Yep, that's what it's like. Don't tell anybody I said that, though. Nobody wants a Christmas card that slaps you in the face, do they? But it gets your attention. That's my point. Okay, so we're just going to stamp. We're not doing any die cutting today. It's just simple stamping. I'm going to use this Christmas tree and then these fun little polka dot, like decorations, little Christmas balls. So we are going to do our tree in mint macaron. I'm going to do it up closer to the top in the center and hopefully straight. You know what? I'm going to take this off for right now so I can see what I'm doing. Stamping white on white can be a challenge sometimes. All right, that looks good. So let's put this away. We're going to clean this off. I had to get a new chamois. I keep misplacing all my chamois. I don't know what happens to them. All right, now we're going to do this one. We're going to do this in polished pink, which is this pretty bright pink in the paper. All right, we're just going to stamp right on top. And then look, it's got all these cute little pink ornaments. I love it. Love it, love it. Plus I love polka dots, so it's like double great. Okay, so we're going to stamp a sentiment down here at the bottom, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space there. And this has 3 sentiments, but I've cut my paper pretty narrow. I think it's 2 inches. Yep, 2 inches. And 2 of the sentiments are too narrow, so this one fits just right. And I'm going to do this in Mossy Meadow. It's fairly straight. Let's go ahead and stamp an inside sentiment while we have the ink out. I'll do this bigger one with the fun fonts. I love all the fonts Stampin' Up! Does. So cute. Okay. And then if you wanted to stamp a tree in there or something, you can always stamp the inside. Okay. So let's glue this down, and then we're going to tie some ribbon. I have a couple options for ribbon. I haven't quite decided which one I want to use yet. So we'll tie one and then we'll see. So I have this white glittered organdy ribbon, which I love because it's glittered. I mean, who wouldn't love that? We could also color this pink. I feel like that's not going to be bold enough. So we could color that pink, or we could just do some of the polished pink ribbon here. Let's do this. Let's try it once. All right, this is what when demonstrators are trying to figure out what to do for classes or for their videos. This is the process they go through. I had originally done a sample. I did not like it, so I changed it up and decided I would do, whoops, I need my better scissors for ribbon. Okay. We try multiple things. That's why we have a scrap box. So we've got that looks pretty nice. I like that. But I think I want to try coloring the sparkly ribbon just to add some sparkle. So let's just cut off the amount we need. And we'll put this on and then see which one we like better. Okay, I'm going to take my dark, I'm going to use the dark one. The dark polished pink blends marker. Ooh, pink and sparkly. I'm not pushing hard because I don't want to tear up my marker, because this ribbon's a little bit rough because of the glitter. But it's nice and thin, so you only have to color on one side because it just soaks right on through. This is a long piece of ribbon. I probably won't need this much. Okay, I think, let's just check and see if I missed any spots. A little more there. Okay, I think I have it pretty much colored. All right, I'm gonna give that a second to dry. Now I have ink on my fingers, that's okay. I'm gonna pull out my shaker shapes because I want just a little teeny star to go on the top of my tree, but I don't want a yellow star. So we are gonna color our star pink to match our tree. So I'm just using my dark polished pink marker. And these stars are a little bit thick, so I'm coloring the sides too because I don't want any yellow poking through or showing through. And let's flip it and do the other side just to be safe. Okay. Both sides and the side. All right, we're gonna let that dry for a second. Let's see if this looks good. Yep, all dry. All right, I don't know if my fingers are dry yet though. Let me just wipe them off on my stamping rag. I use this to clean my blocks. All right, roll up the sleeves because we're gonna tie a bow. Yeah, glitter was the way to go on this one. Although that pink would looked really pretty. But I like a little bling. Okay, grab the ribbon. Come on. We'll try this again. All right. I'm gonna pull the ends. Get it kind of the sides we want. Centered. I thought I got a little glitter coming off. That's okay. There's lots of glitter on there. All right, let's puff it up and see if that looks about right. Sometimes once we tie our bow, we've got to play with it a little bit to get it looking just right. All right. Sparkly. That's glitter. Okay. I feel like it needs to be just a tad smaller. Let's pull it in a little bit. Let's rein it in. Okay. We're going to pop this up. I feel like it's a little loose, so we might tighten it up a bit with some tape. I know we all occasionally struggle with loose bows, so there is a very easy way to fix that. Just have a little bit of Scotch tape. Tape tape it on one side, and then you bring it in nice and tight and tape it on the other side. And then you have a little, all your slack is in the back. Now, if I were gluing this down flat, I would probably cut that slack out, but it's popped up, so I'm not even going to worry about it. Now, this can go right in the middle. It could go over to the left or to the right, but I'm gonna do it in the middle. All right, let's see if we can get it in there pretty evenly. Yep, like the sparkle. Okay. Trim off my ends just a little bit. Okay, let's see. I think our pink star is ready to go on. I'm just putting a teeniest little drop of liquid glue right at the top of the tree. I'm gonna put that on. Maneuver it in place, and we're done. Yay! How cute is that? Very simple. If you were going to do a lot, I don't know that I would color all of the glitter ribbon, but you could absolutely use this polished pink. Oh, what is it? Open weave ribbon in polished pink would look absolutely adorable in that. And you could also use a pink gem or something up at the top, but I really like the star. That's just kind of traditional with a little flare of pink. Okay, thanks so much, everybody. Appreciate it. If you want the measurements and supplies for this card, it's in the link below. Also, if you place an order online with me this month, I'm going to send you 3 beautiful Christmas cards to put together. And that sounds good. Next Thursday is Thanksgiving. So I will attempt to do a video. It will be pre-recorded because I have a ton of company coming. But if not, I will see you back soon after that. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.